I've got Chris Kitalala from Jesus Culture here in the Life Today studios. Chris, welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
We're excited to see you guys. What's going on? You guys are touring around. You guys are hitting a lot of cities. Tell me a little bit about what you guys are involved in right now.
Yeah, we're on a tour. We started in LA and kind of made our way across the Southwest. And we were in San Antonio last night, and now we're here in Dallas tonight at the Verizon Theater. And
glad to have you.
Thanks for
You
having
guys
me.
also been working on a new album.
Yeah, we just recorded. Well, we're doing a church plant in Sacramento. So we did a conference. The church won't open until August, but we did a conference in January, recorded a live CD and DVD, and that'll be out in June, I believe. So.
June of 2014.
Yes. Yes.
Very cool. We got to check that out. Now, how's the whole Jesus Culture thing? You guys started what as a youth band, is that
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
And suddenly everybody's singing your stuff across the state, across the nation, across the world. It's kind of blowing. How's this whole ride been?
Well, we started as a youth group, and Banning Leapshire is the director, and he was our youth pastor, and I was one of the worship leaders at youth group. And we decided to make an album just, so our youth group kids could have it. Yeah. Maybe we'd make a little money to support like a mission trip or something like that. And it just kind of took off. We started, our conference was called Jesus Culture that we did at our local church. Mm-hmm. And the concept was we'd send youth out on the streets during the days to, pray for people, hand out sandwiches, minister to people out on the streets. And the idea was that we'd create a culture of Jesus wherever we're at. So hopefully people would take away from the conference that and take it back to their cities, their schools, their campuses. And somehow the name stuck with the ministry and the band as well. So. And here we are, 11, 12 years later.
Yeah, cranking it out, not just under the Jesus Culture brand, if you will, but the Bethel Live and all the different solo artists that have come through. That whole culture out there musically has really had a big impact. So surely that's a fun thing to be a part of.
Yeah, it's fun, and that's encouraging to hear, We're having fun. So.
Well, you're impacting the whole world, I think. Let's listen to Jesus Culture music right now.
Worthy is the Lamb that was slain. Glory be unto your great name. And you are song, lift up your name, with all creation sing, let earth resound, with heaven's praise, and with one voice, let all creation sing, and holy is the Lamb that was slain. All creation, every tongue proclaim that you are. Lift up your name, with all creation sing, let earth resound, with heaven's praise, and with one voice, let all creation sing. We sing, and we sing, sing out. We sing, holy sing, worthy is your name. And we sing, sing out. We sing, holy is your name. We sing, sing out. We sing, worthy is your name. Oh Lord, worthy is your name. Oh Lord, oh worthy is your name. Oh worthy is your name, your name, your name. Let every heart, let every tongue lift up your name. With all creation sing, let earth resound with heaven's praise. And with one voice, let all creation sing.